Welcome to the AbundaCulture channel. The Bible provides pathways to abundance. God is pleased when we succeed abundantly and share generously. AbundaCulture uses the family homestead as a platform to provide 5 basic needs: affordable housing, renewable energy, clean water, healthy food, and safe sanitation. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to check out our AbundaCulture.org website and download our free training manual.
Oh, Jesus, take me like a rock and roll me till I'm whole again. I've been ground down by this world, my soul is wearing thin.
What is the Great Adventure? The Great Adventure is understanding God's plan for abundant living. The Great Adventure is developing skills to build your own abundant homestead, learning to build your own debt-free home, learning to power your home with the sun, learning to catch rainwater and make it suitable for drinking, learning to grow healthy food, learning to create safe waste management systems, learning to share what you've learned with others, building a network of AbundaCulture hospitality and learning centers across America, creating generational wealth. Great Adventure Cornerstones. We strive to live God-dependent lives based upon AbundaCulture principles of creation care. We serve the King of the universe and tell others about Him. We are led by the Holy Spirit. We live quietly and serve humbly. Our goal is to reestablish our Christian heritage on homesteads across America. Great Adventure Guides are experienced believers who provide hospitality and training for builders. Great Adventure Builders learn and apply their skills to create AbundaCulture homesteads. The Great Adventure is multiplied when builders help others begin their own adventure. AbundaCulture Hospitality and Learning Centers are homesteads that use AbundaCulture methods to provide shelter, energy, food, water, and sanitation. Hospitality and Learning Centers feature temporary housing for builders. They serve as training and continuing education facilities, as well as places of rest and recuperation. With God's help, centers will be built across America. Hello, friends. I hope you've seen our presentation on the Great Adventure, and I hope that you'll begin your Great Adventure today. It's easy. Just go to our AbundaCulture website and download our free training manual. Next, sign up for our hands-on AbundaCulture training today. We offer our classes from June 1 until October 31st. You'll find all the details about our classes on your website. Just go to the home page. At the top of the page, click on the word Training. After you've spent time on our off-grid homestead, learning how things work, you may want to design and build your own homestead. We're here to help. Call or write us today for more information. We like to hear from you. Thanks. Keep your eyes on the sky and your hands in the dirt. Jesus is coming back real soon.
We're all in a master plan. Though the things we do are just grains of sand, when these things are touched by the Master's hand, then our lives turn into mountains.